One of the things that you would like to look at in choosing a contact plugin form is its ability to have a conditional logic. This feature is very useful when you are using this contact form in building a sign up form, like for example a school, like if they are going to choose some meals like a vegetarian meal or a pure protein meal or something like that. So conditional logic comes very handy when creating these forms. Today, I'm going to show you this form that I've been using that has a conditional logic. So now let's use a conditional logic. So let's say, let's go back to form. Okay, let's make another one. Let's say we'll make another form with options. Create form. As usual, we'll use uh, single field and email because that's the basic. Okay, or yeah, so this name, email, and then let's say we will have an option, so radio buttons. Now take note that if you have radio buttons, you can only choose one among the options. So first, options, let's just say options. We have three. Let's take out the third option. So because we just want to give you an example, and let's say I'm going to create I want to add HTML. HTML. I'd like for this example, I'd like to use two HTML. Okay. Um, I'll put this. I'll label this show. Just label for illustration. Show this for option one. Okay. And then for this second one, show this for option two. Okay, just for you to see the conditional logic. The goal here is if someone clicks the first choice, what will show is this one. If someone clicks the second choice, the only thing that will show is option two. So for this, we'll enable the conditional logic. Enable conditional logic. Show this when options. Okay, options is first choice. Okay, click save. Okay, then for the second one, we also want to enable the conditional logic. Show this option. Okay, you choose the option is second choice. Okay, all right, click save. Let's make another form here. So we want to embed it here. Let's see to show you how it works. Okay, let's use text. We will change that again. Go to embed, click shortcode, copy, go here, and text tab, put the new shortcode, change this title to false. Okay, save, then exit.
Okay, just for you to know or to see, if I click option, okay, so we forgot to put something here. Okay, here we need to put, just for illustration, this is shown because you chose option 1. Then this one, this is shown because you chose option 2. Click save. All right, yeah, let's refresh this for you, just for you to see. So once you fill that up, email, uh, if you click the first choice, you'll see this is shown because you chose option 1. Or if you choose option 2, this is shown because you choose option 2. So that's how it works, the conditional logic. And there are other things that you can do, work on that. Okay,
If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe here and learn more. And let's grow together.